On Instagram, it's important to make sure that your profile is set up correctly so that it appears in search. It's also important to set the right impression when potential customers are landing on your pub's profile for the first time. Here are some tips for optimizing your Instagram business profile. First, use a clear profile picture, something that represents your business, ideally your pub's logo or your sign, so that people recognize it within Instagram and associate it with your pub. Secondly, write a compelling biography. Use your bio to give potential customers a sense of what you do and what makes you unique. List your key features in your biography too. Remember that it is searchable. Next, include a call to action. Use your bio to encourage users to take a specific action, such as visiting your website or making a reservation. In this example, the word bookings, along with the arrow emoji, is driving people towards the website. Next, make sure you link to your website. Use the website field in your profile to link to your website, rather than putting your URL in your bio. This will make it easier for users to find information about your business, and Instagram makes this a clickable link. Many pubs are now using the free service Linktree. Linktree is a free website that allows you to host a mini website within Instagram containing all of the important places you need to send customers. So in this example of the white horse, you can see they have Linktree in their website field. When I click on this, I'm now able to see all of the latest information about the pub, including where to book, latest events, latest promotions, and you could include things like your menu as well. Use it to promote deals. It helps customers to navigate to your most important places of your website more easily from within Instagram. You can find the link to where to get Linktree set up in the information at the bottom of this video. Next, use Instagram story highlights. Stories are for sharing in the moment and behind the scenes content. But once published, they only show on your profile for 24 hours unless you save them to your highlights. Highlights are the circles that appear underneath your biography, and these can be created for different categories, and you can have as many as you'd like. Use Instagram story highlights on your profile to share key content around different themes like your menu, your team, your offers, and customer photos, like in these examples. You can also upload little customized logos for your story highlight covers, which can be designed on apps like Canva. So to add an Instagram story highlight to your profile, simply press the Create button, which is the plus on the top right-hand side of Instagram. Here you can create a new story highlight. You'll be shown all of your previous stories, and you can select which ones you wish to highlight on your profile. You'll then be asked to give your highlight a name, keep it short and snappy, and also emojis are supported. Here you can see the Edit Cover button, and this allows you to choose a cover for your highlight based on the stories that are going to be contained in that highlight. You'll notice the camera roll logo appears there too, which is where you would upload a completely unique picture as your story highlight cover. I'm going to edit this highlight by clicking the three dots once I open it, and change that cover image by clicking Edit Cover, and there you can see the different options available to me again. Go for something quite bright and bold because you want to make sure your covers stand out, or you could use something in the same colours as your logo too. So to recap those tips, use a clear profile picture, write a compelling biography, include a call to action, link to your website, and use Instagram story highlights. By following all of these tips, you can optimize your business profile and make it more effective for promoting your pub and attracting new customers on Instagram.